What's up, guys? We're gonna open today a mystery box. Check this one. So we're gonna open this. Let's see what's inside in this box, yo. Ooh, there's a 5 on it. There's a 5. What is that supposed to mean? That means what? 3, 5, 50. That is yeezy, my boy. That is yeezy. Oh my god. Yeezy boost. Yeah. Look at this. God damn, that's not nice, man. Continue with video, babe. Ready?
Yes. Dito ng kahon pa lang ganda na. No.
Yeah.
That fancy box right there. Oh, shoot.
Ang ganda, man.
Kinalubutan ako. Having goosebumps.
Thank you for the gift for my. This is the gift for my wife for Christmas, though.
Yes, sir.
And to the sisters,
In-laws.
Aika, Tikleo.
That.
This is the gift for Christmas on my birthday.
Yes.
This is worth, man. This is really.
Yes.
I haven't have a use. I have a use, but those are not real. But this one is real one.
Quality.
God damn.
Okay, easy. Just the start,
Goat.
no? The start pa lang, no? Start for like easy collection,
Oh,
I
there's a
guess.
sticker. It's a goat.
Thank you, goat.
Let's go. Picture lang mga kami.
Okay, alright. So take a picture now.
Bye-bye.